Hi everyone. Today's video you won't be seeing any recipes just for a change. I've been doing quite a lot of recipe videos for a long time. Not just for video's sake, I have been cooking a lot these days, be it a simple dish or for friends, for suhoor, for iftar, for ourselves, for kids. Now being a mother, feeding them is something you can't avoid. Even though I had prepared food for kids today, not showing any recipes on that. I actually wanted a break for myself, so thought of giving myself a treat on this day. We decided to go out and eat at a different place. This is not something that we do very often. Once in a month, giving yourself a change with something can be really refreshing. Being not only mother, a homemaker is always stressed out in some or the other ways. So such treats are always relaxing. It needn't be even once in a month, once in 2 months or 3 months, or once in a week. And a lot of respect for working mothers out there. I am not able to do that. But seeing all those married working women or mothers is something I truly look upon with great dignity. So now let me tell you about this app Cobone. Many of you might be aware of it. I don't know about other countries, but its option shows only available in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Jeddah, Riyadh and Dammam. Now over here you can find plenty of offers. Some featured, some offers from bestsellers, food. Now in this month of Ramadan you can find numerous offers for iftar and suhoor. Some that has child options too. Most of it has below 5 years of kids eat for free. Some beauty offers, some wellness, that's medical. Even there are destination offers. I think this offer is completely in UAE. I have not seen any offers so far in Saudi. Anyway, this is a good app, but before choosing or paying for any, make sure you confirm the availability of it. Some may go fake. There are always phone numbers given under any offer, so call and confirm. So from this we chose one and pre-booked earlier and confirmed our iftar. Today we were going to that hotel. Now a large number of requests for hijab tutorial. Truly and seriously, I don't know how to give a tutorial on this because I don't even wear an inner cap or any pins to make it stay in place, or I don't have many styles in which I wear. I just wear the way it looks good on me and I just throw it over my head to make it suiting for my face. So this is how I wear my hijab. Now my boys are all ready to go. Arman thinks I'm taking his photo, trying to pose. And there we go. That's the hotel, Rose Garden. Finally onto our table. The food area was a bit rushed, so couldn't take a video of this part. Boys ready with their food. I try to stuff myself with fruits first. Spring rolls. Now this is something commonly eaten here by Arabs, wine leaves. I think it's rice with some mild spices stuffed inside a wine leaf. I like the taste of it. Now that's kava. I seriously don't like the taste of traditional kava. The only kava I liked was my mother-in-law's because it had an Indian flavor to it. That's the only one I like. My mother-in-law makes it perfect for my taste buds. Then dinner time, including some sweets which were extra sweet. Finally made it to take a small video, but nothing to capture much. Everything was over. The food was good, not bad, though there were nothing Indian. Going back. Now this was a parcel arrived from souk.com. I had ordered a Spider-Man sticker for my boys, especially Arman loves this character. Just wanted to surprise them. Gym was open till 2 a.m. so I had gone late night for some workout. Now those in Riyadh who had asked me about the classes there, this was the schedule. It changes timely, maybe once in a month I think. And then took a shower. Now waiting for my husband to pick me up. It was really surprising to see the gym actually full with all working out hardly, especially this month. All giggles before a good night's sleep. So that's for today's video. Hope you liked it. If so, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, clicking the bell icon for notifications. See you with another video. Until then, stay blessed, take care, bye-bye.